Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make fragrant Basmati Pilau rice from scratch. Before I start, please take a second to like and subscribe. Thank you. To make fragrant Basmati rice, you will need 2 cups or 500 milliliters of Basmati rice. I used the Laila brand green packet. 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cups or 500 milliliters of water, 5 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, 2-inch cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 2 cloves, and optional food colouring powders. Rinse the rice with cold water until the water runs clear. Keep the rice soaking in clean water for 15 minutes. Add the oil, salt, cumin seeds, cardamom, bay leaves, cassia bark, star anise, and cloves. Heat for about 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic. Strain the rice and add to the pot along with the water and stir gently. Bring to a boil, stir and cover the pot. Reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cook for 15 minutes. If you want to colour the rice, sprinkle a little bit of food colouring powder in patches over the top, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of each colour. Place the lid back on and wait about 5 minutes for the steam to moisten the dyes and seep through the rice. Uncover and stir through gently with a fork. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.